Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to build a file uploader using just HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Here when you click on this button, it will give you option to select image and this image will appear here in this box. So today we are going to build this. So let's begin. So let us start with our folder file uploader. Now open this on Visual Studio Code. Let us create our files index.html, style.css and app.js for JavaScript. So let us begin with our HTML first. So give it a title file uploader. So first of all, in this body we'll have one section, and inside this section we'll have one div first with class input container. Inside this div we'll have our heading with h2. Inside this h2 we'll have some text. Upload a file from your computer. So, and after this heading we will have our input. Type will be file and I will give it an ID file. Now let's close it and we'll have one label for it. Let's close it. It will be for our input, that is we have ID file. Then class upload, and inside this label we will have some text browse file. Then that's end of this div. Then we'll have other div here which will have class image container, where we will be showing our image. So here we will be having one icon first, which will be inside another div with class icon. Inside this div we will have one peak tag with class close, which will be our close button. And here we will have our JavaScript entity, HTML entity. So #10006. Yeah, this will be our closing button. Then after this, below this we will have one div again with class img, and inside this div we will have our image tag with source. For now it will be empty. We will be adding image using JavaScript. So that's all HTML we need. Now let us connect our CSS and JavaScript file. So a link for CSS, style sheet, and href for our file style.css. Let's close it. And also we have to add our JavaScript, and for that we have our script tag. Source will be app.js. Let's close it. Yeah, that's all HTML we need. Now let us move on to CSS part. So here in CSS, let us first give some default style to all the elements. That will be padding 0, margin 0. Then we have box sizing will be border box. Then we have font family, sans serif. Then we have body. Now we will add some style to our body here. So initially it will have minimum height of 100 VH. It will cover whole of the screen. So I am taking 100 VH. So, and background color, I will be giving it a linear gradient. Here we will be selecting some colors. Yeah. Okay. So now let's change from here. So just I have some specific color which I like. For background, you can give your own colors here. And here it will be a bit of this little bit of darker. Then we have our blue. No. It will be this. Then here it will be kind of bluish. Select here. Now let's check how our HTML, our application is looking. So let us open this with Google Chrome. Okay, this background look quite good. Now let us move forward. So then after this background, I will add display style which will be flex box. Then we have flex direction. It will be column. Then we have our align item. It will be at the center. So let's save and reload. So here it is. It's align item. It is at center, and it is, say, this is flex box in column with column. So now after that we have our main section. Here we will have one class. It will be main container. Or main container. Main. You can just give main. It will be just better. We keep short, right? Then for this main, we'll have max width 700 pixel. Max width 700 pixel. Then we have our height, and I want to keep it as the content it holds. So I will select content. Then we have width, and I have to give it 100%. Then we have text alignment will be center. Then overflow hidden. Then we have margin top. It is margin top of 80. Now let's save and reload. Here it is. Here is our margin. Text center. That's fine. Now let's move on to our input container. For this container, okay, so just copy this. Now here, input container will have padding top 20 pixel. Then we have padding bottom 30 pixel. So reload. Here it is. So it is transforming and appears to be good. Now we have our text. So that's it. I forgot to give one class here. It will be text. So so for this we have text. For this text I want to give it a color of background, this one, color, white, not white, white. Save and reload. Yeah, it looks great. Now, and also I want to give it a margin bottom of 25 pixel. Save and reload. Yeah, that's fine. This looks good. After this, we have our input. I want to style our input as well. Just what style, just I want to hide it. So I will give it a display null so that it doesn't show here. Okay. And in place of this input, this browser file button will work. So after that, I will give style to this upload button, means that is label. So for upload, here background will be linear. Yeah, linear. So whatever color you want, you can give. Then here, so I want to give it a little bit of yellowish color. Yeah, a bit here, this one, and I want to keep this here with off. Then a bit down. Here I want to keep it this one. Wait, why wasn't it changing, man? Here it will be this one. Yeah, let's save and reload here. Let's move on. Next one, that is padding. I want to use shorthand method 8 pixel and 20 pixel. Reload. Okay. It looks still fine. Now we'll have our transition of 0.4 second is. Then we have cursor, pointer, border radius of 8 pixel I want to give. So save and reload. Yeah, it looks quite good. Now I want to add one hover effect, and when we hover over it, then just I want to give it a box shadow. Okay, box shadow of 2 pixel, 4 pixel, 2 pixel of black. Now save and reload. Okay, here. Okay. It's not essential. If you get this one, 4. Okay, that's fine. I want to make it a little bit quicker. If I make it 1, how does it look? Yeah, that's great. That's fine. That's fine. And then here, not 4, I want to give 3. Yeah, this looks perfect. And also, I want to scale it. Scale 1.1. Yeah. Or if I make it 1.2. Yeah, that's fine. Now after this, we have our image container. After we have this image container, we will add here. So for image container, first of all, we'll give position relative. Then it will have height, fit content. It will just have the height as much as required. Width, I want to give 100%. Then minimum height, I want to give some 300. Then we have object fit will contain. Then border radius, as I have already given, that is of 8 pixel. After this I want to display none initially. So when there will be image, that time only it will be shown, otherwise it will be none. So for now I will just comment it out so that we can work on it. Now after this we have our image, this one img and this one. So first of all I will select this img, and inside this img the image tag I am selecting. Here I want to give it a width of 100% and height of 100%. Then we have minimum height of 300 pixel. Then not 3000, 300. Then minimum, after minimum height we have our so I have done a bit of mistake here. So border radius and all of this from here, it should come here, not there. And here after this width we'll be having our background color. Okay, white. Then we'll have this minimum height, I think don't require it here, but still I want to make sure it is here. I will remove it later. Then we have our padding of 20 pixel. Then we have our border radius of 8 pixel. Now save and reload. See here this is our image. So when you make it display none, it will get removed. So only it will show whenever we'll have some image. So for now let us leave it uncommented. Now after this we will work on our icon, this icon. So for that let us select this icon p dot close. So this close class inside this icon we are selecting. So here I want to add font size of 20 pixel. Then we have color of just I want to make it white. White. Then position I want to add, it will be not relative, it will be absolute to this container, related to this container. Yes. Save and reload. You can see it has disappeared as it color is white. So for now just I comment this so that you can see as it is absolute, it is shown here. So for after this, after position we'll have our and right side 30 pixel, then the top 25 pixel. Okay, then we have our Z index and to give it 1, display will null, then cursor will be pointer. So I just want to remove this for now and save it, and let's reload. Here it is at the perfect position. Now so I want to add some hover effect here. So I need this main dot, just copy this whole selector and paste it here, and when hover we have our color. I want to give it a red. So Just save and reload. Here it is. So when it will turn to red. Then we have our JavaScript related CSS. So when this image and this image image tag inside this image container will contain the active class, then I want to display it block. Otherwise, it will be displayed null. And same thing for this button as well. Just copy this one. Just copy all of this. Not over, just till close. Then paste it here. Now, if this contain exit class, I want to add CSS. Same thing for display block. So otherwise, it will be null. So now let's move on to our JavaScript part. Let's add image here. So first of all, let us select our elements. Upload element will be document dot query selector. The class, or not class, this is the input. Then we have image, and it will come from dot query selector. It will be coming from image tag inside image. Again, after this, we have our close button, that is document dot query selector. Here I have given it, which will be inside the icon container with class name icon close, as it contains the class close. So here it is icon, and this is the close. This close icon. So here our three elements we need. Now I want to add event listener to this upload. Upload dot add event listener. Here it will be change. If there is any change, then we will run a function. And inside this function, I will upload the event. Yeah. Now save and reload. Okay. It will not work now. We have to create one function which will be upload file function. Inside this function, I will actually, this is that function, not this upload. We have to copy this function from here. I just can give it file. What name should I give? It's better I give it upload file or upload. Yeah, just I want to keep it upload. Then image for this event, copy this and paste it here. So I'll select this image. I will add a class active. Then I'll select this close dot class list dot add. I'll add here exit. Okay. So that's when we'll upload an image. And this image which I have selected, and I will add this image to this source of this image. src. Yeah, src will be url dot create object URL. Yeah. Then we have sent event dot target dot files, and I will take the first element of it. So it will be added to this image source, and this create object URL, it will create an URL and send it to this source. Now after this, we will run. So whenever we click on the close button, there should be one event which will remove the classes and this image will disappear. So add event listener, it will be on click on that button, it will be click event listener, click. Then we have one function when we click on it, then this image dot class list will remove the active class and it will get removed, means display none, it will turn display to none. Then close dot class list dot same remove, here we will remove the exit, and that's it. Now let's reload. Let me uncomment all the CSS we have done here. So now save it, reload. Now try to upload some file here. Okay, there's something wrong here. The image container display none. Okay, this is the problem here. Now let us try to upload some file. Okay, it's not working. It's not working. No. Let me find what's the problem here. Actually, I don't want to make it display none for now, so I have to keep this. I can make this display none. Now let's select. Okay, image is not added here. Then inspect. Then this we have one image source. Yeah, it's the function has not been called. Okay, I've changed this name. Upload file. Here also upload file. Now let's check it. I hope it will work now. Yeah, you can see our image has appeared here. Now we can, when you click on this close button, the image has disappeared. Same thing again, you upload this image. Yeah, our application is working perfectly fine. You can add any image from your computer to this browser. So that's it. That is our file uploader. I hope you like it, and if you did, just hit thumbs up. And if you want more videos like this, then just consider subscribing. And thanks a lot for watching, and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.